Okay, today we're going to use SketchUp, and SketchUp is on your computer. It's not online, so you'll have to look for it under Programs. And the template we're going to use, that we're always going to use, is feet and inches. Some of you probably remember that from last year. And then start using SketchUp. If you didn't use it last year, it's no big deal. This is kind of just a warm-up, just to remind you how to use SketchUp. So let's go up to Camera and go to Standard Views. We're going to use the top view. And then also let's go up to View and let's take out the axis. Okay, we can kind of see where the center is still. So I'm going to make a circle and just drag it out. And actually now I'm going to go back and delete that line. Okay, and then I'm going to make another circle. But this time I'm going to come across the edge of this circle, and you'll see it hops to an endpoint. You're going to drag the pencil from the endpoint to the blue point center. And now they're together. Then you're going to go up to where the two circles meet, and you'll find the green endpoint, and drag it to either one of the blue circles. You'll continue to do this until you get 6 circles around a center circle. Okay, so there we are. We have 6 circles around a circle. Let's color them now. It'll be easier to see the pattern. So we're going to go up and get the paint bucket, and you can come over to here, and you'll have all kinds of different types of colors. You can have roofing or glass, but I'm going to stick with color names because I just want it to be a pretty pattern. So I'm going to take paint and dump it so that all the outsides match, and I want them to look like a pattern. Oops. And so you can choose whatever you'd like. However, within reason, I need it to be a pattern similar to the one that I'm building. Okay, so here we are. We've got our colors. Then I'm going to ask you to make another set of circles. And you're going to do the same. Wherever there's an endpoint between where they hit together, you're going to draw it to the other blue. You can draw it to any blue center on the triangle. Okay, so here we are. I made a couple mistakes that I just edited out. But anyway, you should only come up with 6 circles around the pattern that you already have. So let's go and color that and dump color in it. And let's do it one more time. So if you think of like go to where the pink is and drag it to one of the blues, to where the pink is, or whatever color yours is. That looks pretty good, and I'm going to go get one last color to paint it in with. And you're almost done. You just need to turn it in through Google Classroom. You'll turn 2 exercises in together. You'll go and get the snipping tool. Maybe you've used the snipping tool before. And you'll click New. It'll make everything shaded. But you're going to drag across your lovely picture, and it will take a picture of it. And you're going to click Save. And it always saves it as Capture, so I would name it something else. SketchUp 1 or whatever, circles. You're going to save that. You can save it to your desktop or anyplace else. And then you're going to go to Google Classroom and click on the assignment and click on Add. And you'll add two files for this one and the next project. Good luck.